Introducing the BM25S, your go-to portable heavy-duty machine for stainless steel machining. You can enjoy comfort and ergonomics at work thanks to the BM25S movable handle. The machine allows the handle to be set in any position to ensure comfortable operation. The set includes 3 chip guards for protection and working comfort. Continuously adjustable milling depth requires no tooling changes and is convenient and easy. Milling straight edges with a bevel width up to 25 mm is a breeze with the BM25S. Equipped with a stainless steel guide and rollers, it ensures protection against contamination. State-of-the-art electronic motor overload module safeguards the operator, the machine, and the tooling. The milling head features 5 pieces of 4-sided indexable cutting inserts for extended use. Equipped with a powerful motor and a face milling beveling head for smooth operation and exceptional efficiency. Variable spindle speed lets you optimize cutting conditions effortlessly. The powerful electric motor ensures consistent performance. Achieve a maximum bevel width of 25 mm with continuous adjustment. Adjust the bevel angle continuously between 0 and 90 degrees. A single head operates with the facing-off milling method at 0 degrees, offering versatility and precision. Experience the efficiency and reliability of the BM25S for all your stainless steel beveling needs.